Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Nexus Rebel 35R. Guys, allow me to introduce to you the Nexus Rebel 35R. This is an awesome motorhome that sits on an international CV chassis. It's the 6.6 liter Duramax, 350 horsepower, 700 pound-feet of torque. This motorhome can also tow 15,000 pounds. It's awesome. We got a seamless fiberglass front cap up there. Nice big 19.5 Continental tires with those shiny Alcoa rims. A beautiful full body paint job. Power awning with LED lights. And then this has an outside kitchen on a Class C motorhome. Fridge, cooktop, everything. Coming on inside the motorhome, you can see here the sticker for Asdel. Do a quick 360 to the right. Asdel is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Also, Nexus Motorhomes uses steel cage construction opposed to the competition doing aluminum. We are going to start up here with the cockpit area. International chassis, it looks great. Nice big bunk over the cab, holds 750 pounds, and it's tall enough for adults to actually sleep on it. One of the most comfortable sofas right here, across from one of the most comfortable dinettes in here. You got your TV right there, which is across from your sofa and everything. And then over here in the kitchen, solid surface countertops. Great sized Dometic refrigerator. And then right here's your bathroom. You got your toilet, your shower area, which is very nice. And then right here is your bunk beds. Good sized bunk beds, tall enough for adults to lay on. I got another foot ahead of me. Storage underneath the bunks. And then right over here is a queen size bed. You got storage on both sides, storage above with a headboard, TV, two wardrobes, and 6 drawers underneath there. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Nexus Rebel 35R. If you guys are interested in learning more about this, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. We do a full review of this whole motorhome. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.